Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through the Bogwalk Gorge, and we're going to talk about Flat Bridge. We're actually going to drive over Flat Bridge. Now Flat Bridge is the oldest bridge in Jamaica. It's a single lane bridge and it was built probably 600 years ago. So I want to ask you guys a question. Why don't they build a new bridge to replace Flat Bridge? Now, we don't have to demolish Flat Bridge or remove it or trouble it in any way. We can build a new bridge. That's Flat Bridge on the right. From where we are, we could build a bridge across the Rio Cobra. You see where the truck is? Going on the other side, going over Flat Bridge. We could build a bridge going across the Rio Cobra, totally cutting out Flat Bridge. Now, we're not saying to remove Flat Bridge. We're saying to build a new bridge, a second bridge that the traffic can use, and will leave Flat Bridge as a historic site. It's the oldest bridge in the Caribbean. But in this day and age, the year 2024, why are we still using this bridge? It's a single lane bridge and it has no railings, because when the Rio Cobra rises, it covers Flat Bridge. The gorge has to be closed, and that happens quite a lot. And the force of the water would wash away the rails. They've put rails on this bridge already, and they've become damaged or totally washed away. There you can see a stoplight, but apparently it's not working because it's on red, and they need more than a stoplight. They need a new bridge. Now there is a lot of space on which you can build for them to build a bridge. Now, so many times, this road, the Bogwalk Gorge, takes you from Kingston to Ocho Rios. It is the main road that takes you on the north coast. There is a highway, but you have to pay, and it's a very expensive highway. There is another route through Sligoville, but you're going over a hill, and it's an awful drive, and the road is terrible. So this is the main route. But when the gorge gets closed or blocked, we actually have videos of a Flat Bridge being blocked. So many times trucks are going across this bridge and they break down, or unfortunately they might drop off the bridge or block the bridge because a piece of the truck is hanging over the bridge. It happens quite often. So guys, why do you think the government hasn't replaced this bridge yet or put in a second bridge? Now the government is spending a lot of money on roadworks, a lot. They build the highways, but there is no mention of building a new bridge for this area. And we have the engineers, we have China Harbour Engineering Company that can do this bridge in probably less than a year, in no time. In no time. There's so much that could be done with this gorge in terms of a roadway, but from it's been built, there have been no major changes to the route or anything on the gorge. But we're talking about Flat Bridge. Now, the fact that it's a single lane bridge for that's one reason this bridge should have been replaced a long time ago. It's a historic heritage site, I guess. So the cars should not be using it in this day and age. It should be kept. A new bridge should be built. So guys, what do you think? Do you think they should build a new bridge to replace Flat Bridge? Let us know. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.